and welcome to Intelligence Iloilo Logistic. I'm your host, Lyra Siluricas. So without further ado, let's go and meet our engineer. Hello engineer, please tell us about yourself.
Good day everyone! I am Engineer Lara Nina P. Masamo. I graduated from University of Santo Tomas, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. I was born and raised here in Iloilo City. Now I have my own company in the Philippines. It is LCAS. It's L&M Construction Engineering Services Corporation. Now I have my 30 branches in the whole Philippines.
Now, engineer, at this point, let's talk about the project you're planning a year ago.
So I was planning this project a year ago about the bridge that connects the Iloilo Strait that separates the island of Panay and Guimaras in the Visayas and connects the Panay Gulf with the Guimaras Strait. I've picked the location of Port of Iloilo as the third busiest port in the Philippines in number of ships. So me and my company partner together with the local government of Iloilo have a lots of meeting, but they still keep in mind that proposal project that I have proposed to them.
So, engineer, why did you really push this project and really work hard to convince the city government or the local government of Iloilo to approve this project?
So one of my aims is to provide increased interconnectivity in the province of Western and Central Visayas to stimulate economic activity in the region and help in the decongestion of Metro Manila in the process.
So, engineer, in terms of stability, how can you say that this project or bridge is more stable? Also, how can you say that this project will be successful?
Actually, in terms of stability, I've put the focus on the basic structural components of a suspension bridge system. This may include the stiffening grinders, the main suspension cables, main towers, and the abutment of the cable at each end of the bridge. I've put 250 hangers on each side of the bridge. The distance of the hangers along the grinder is 5 meters. The hangers are made of 95 parallel, 7 millimeters in diameter. Steel wires hanger is connected to the main cables that suspend between the hangers and that are finally connected to the anchorage or abutment or the bridge itself. And the vertical suspenders carry the weight of the deck and the traffic load on it. Therefore, the whole cross-section of the main cables is highly efficient in carrying the loads and the bulking is not a problem.
Engineer, how about the said stiffening grinders? I guess this is the most important part in bridge design. We would be glad to hear your explanation right after this commercial break.
Are you feeling tired? Do you want to energize and be hyper? Try the ultimate favorite, also known as ultimate favorite ng masa na brownies. Come on down to taste the most tasty, low calories and affordable brownies of 6 days. Be sure to ready your belly to satisfy your cravings to be hyper and motivated. Call ahead and take home with you. Quality dessert spreads are waiting for you at 6 Days House. What are you waiting for now? Call and satisfy yourself with the best food.
So, you're again watching Intelligence Iloilo Logistics. We were joined today by Engineer Lara by her proposed project and to appeal to support her project. Engineer Lara, yes, please explain it further.
Oh yes, okay. I use its different grinders with box cross-section which is reinforced concrete. Owing to the fact that the grinders is subjected to a large comprehensive load force applied by the main cables and the tension stressor do not occur in the grinder under design loads. Also, the towers are reinforced concrete with a box cross-section.
Now, everybody get it. Now, for the next segment, rather, the last segment before the show ends, we would like to ask the audience if they have anything to clarify and something to ask Engineer Lara. Yes, ma'am?
Hello, Engineer Lara. Hello, Miss Lyra. I just want to clarify something about the said project. How much is the cost of this project? Is it too expensive?
Hello, Miss Tricia. Actually, this bridge is relatively affordable to construct. Suspension bridge are relatively economical to build in the sense that only minimum amount of supplies is needed to create the structure. You only need anchors to support the construction, cables that support the deck, and the pathway for pedestrians or vehicles.
So, thank you, Engineer. Alright, that's the end for today's episode. Engineer, how was it?
I really had fun today. It's such an honor to discuss my proposed project with you and to everybody. I would like to thank you too for making me comfortable and to audience for also showing a positive reaction to my project. Thank you so much.
It's such an honor for me to engineer. And this has been a great episode of Intelligence Iloilo Logistics. So, this is Lyra Siluricas, your MC for Intelligence Iloilo Logistics. See you again for the next episode.
Hello and welcome to Matter It Matters. We're your host, Lara Nina Pimasamo.
And I'm Lyra Siluricas. For today's episode, we will talking about physical changes in our everyday life and changes in their molecules arrangement.
We will be joined by students. They will be explaining about the said topic. Student, please introduce yourselves.
Hello, I am Ace Juan Calvo.
I am Tricia Eloisa Doliron.
I am Aryan Joy Braga.
And I am Crystal Kyle Nilios. Please explain what is physical change.
Matter makes up everything we can see in the universe. Since matter is not ever created or destroyed, it changes form to cycle through the world. In science, physical changes of matter are when the look, feel, or smell of it changes, but the chemical properties do not. Physical changes typically impact the state of matter. Physical changes can be irreversible or reversible.
There are 11 characteristics of physical changes. During a physical change, one or more physical properties or characteristics of matter are changed. Physical properties includes color, density, luster, malleability, mass, solubility, state, temperature, texture, viscosity, and volume.
So what is the difference between physical and chemical change?
Unlike many physical changes, many chemical changes are not visible. Chemical changes happen on a molecular level and alter the actual makeup of matter. In order for a change to be only a physical change, by definition, it can change chemical properties.
One of the examples of physical change with water is an ice cube melting into water in your drink. As an ice cube melts, its shape changes as it acquires the ability to flow. However, its composition does not change, and melting is an example of a physical change.
How about its molecules? And we would be glad to hear your explanation right after this commercial break.
Are you tired in your online classes? Module? Drink fresh. Refresh your mind and soul. Refresh your body. Start your day with fresh. Can relieve your stress, helps you to concentrate, does not increase belly fat accumulation, and refreshing drink that surely you will be stress-free. Drink free.
So you're watching again? Matter It Matters. We were joined today by the students to explain physical changes in our everyday lives and changes in their molecules arrangement.
So, students, explain about the molecules.
So because the ice melts, the change of state that just happened is melting. The tight particle of solid changes to loosely packed liquid. It really amazed me how people in the past discovered these things. It is so interesting.
Actually, there's still a lot of things that happen in our everyday that connects to physical change, just like drying clothes under the sun. It is the most common real-life example of evaporation. When the wet clothes are put under the sun, they get heated up, resulting in the evaporation of the water particles, where the molecules were loosely packed is changed to very loose molecules of a gas.
Wow, thanks for the very clear explanation. So, students, how was today? Did you have fun?
Yes, we really had fun. You guys made the shoot very fun.
I really hope we can come back here and share our knowledge again. Thank you for having us.
We really hope you guys can come back. It's such a great honor to meet and talk to you all. And that's the end of today's episode.
I hope you all have fun and pick some learning from the students.
See you again for the next episode of Matter It Matters.